everyone. Judd Fisher here from Ball Brothers Foundation with Philanthropy Today. Doing a little visit to Minnetrista, one of our largest grantees. We were able to see Oakhurst, which is a house that is kept in as if you would walk in and someone was living there. It has a lot of history, especially Ball family history on the second floor. Then we got to go inside Minnetrista Museum of Art's main space today and see three different galleries artwork. One is clearly indigenous, which is a glass done by Native Americans. We had community portraits, which is literally it's of people from the community that is really awesome. And then we had a juried art show, and the artwork is beautiful and for sale. These are going to go out May of 2024. Or 2025, excuse me. And so come to Minnetrista and check those things out. But it was a beautiful day to be able to walk around the campus of Minnetrista. I just wanted to share some of that with you. Thank you.